No, he alone can be leader who can serve, I tell you. One who tries to lead without serving, people won't accept him. You know why God is the leader? Because he serves the ant also. He has made the food of a snake also. All the ants and all the lizards, their food is also fixed. And therefore he serves all. And serving is, understand, I enter into the heart of other person and find out where is his pain. Don't be seated in your heart and see the world. Go in somebody else's heart and find out where is his problem, what I can really take it out. And in management, in the office, I tell you, office has a charm only when somebody, not charm of working is not there first. At least somebody, one person in the office should be there who wants to do something for you and who understands you. And if you feel there is nobody who understands me or my problem, however good that salary may be in your office, I think it is a charmless place. Am I right? Nobody is saying yes. Whether it is the temple, mission, house, I want somebody who knows what is my pain. If I tell it, somebody will really understand what is his problem. Will nobody understand what he has to do with me? Then it is not a house, it is a lodging boarding center. Somebody should be there. Anything unless you add hard to it, it becomes hard. There is no charm of a place, no charm of a person. I'm parshan hai, I'm in trouble. Okay, what can I do for you? So always think I'm not meant for my joy. My life is not meant for me. My body, my breathing, my life, my schedule is not meant for me. I'm not meant for giving joy to myself. I'm born to finish myself. I want to obliterate my ego. And this was the glory of Hanumanji's example I gave in the world. Not one action he did for himself. You see Lakshmanji's example. You see Sitaji's examples. Much more we have to go into these characters to imbibe. Okay, no, he did not give attention to me. I don't want it. Don't want it. No, he did not give a smile to me. Don't give, I don't want it. He did not honor me. I don't want, don't give honor to me. Give honor to God. Unless you have this change of attitude, your life will be difficult. I'm not born for myself. I'm not born to take, I'm not a sponge who's absorbing only. I'm that rain who wants to harvest the crops. I'm that sunlight who wants to give sunshine everywhere. I'm that wind God who wants to give the life and breathing to all people. I'm not born to take. You don't give me, never mind, but I'll give you. What you gave to Lord Sun, what you gave to moon, what you gave to earth, what you gave to, what is it called? So many plants are there. What you gave to Akash, space. What you gave? You don't give anything. But they are godly. Therefore they were devatas. They are just giving. Okay. So you go with this attitude in the office also. Professional life is very good. But remember, unless there is a sound intention behind that, it will become a poisonous life. Anything you add I into it will converts into poison. It is arsenic, it converts into poison. Whether it is relationship, whether it is work, whether it is our money, moment you add the small I and take God away from it, everything will become poisonous only. You live with the poison. Okay? So this is the way we have to be there. Then you will become representative of God.